Hi guys, for today's video, gusto lang share sa inyo kung paano natin transfer natin pera from WeChat to Alipay. Take note na nakapag-register tayo dapat sa FPS both e-wallets. Let's get started. Punta na tayo sa Me button. Pay and Services. Transfer. Kapag wala ka pang Common Pay or Recent Pay, dito ka na dumiretso, make a new FPS transfer. Pero kung meron na, pili ka lang dito. Okay. So, try natin dito sa make a new transfer. Then, take mo lang yung mobile number. Dahil magpapadala tayo ng pera from WeChat to Alipay. At i-default natin dito sa receiving account. Tap natin yan at piliin ang Alipay HK. So, ito na siya. Tap. Naka-RP na. At ilagay natin ang registered mobile number dito. And then yung amount. Then, lagyan natin ng note. Let's say thank you. Or thanks. Then, okay. Next. Name checking may not be conducted in the fund transfer by the Pays Bank. Please carefully verify the Pays Bank or SB account number and the other payment details. And then, continue. So, okay na. Then, pay now na natin. Ito mo lang yung payment password and that's it.